Go.
Hey, my name's Robia Turner. I'm the proud owner of an online health and wellness company. You can check out the website and the links at robiaturner.com. We have 4 awesome divisions of products that we offer to clients. We have an air division, water, laundry, which is pretty fascinating, and nutrition. I primarily discuss the indoor air quality needs, and people have allergies, asthma. I jokingly say so many on my trainings, if you walk into a home or business and you see the little stuff floating in the air, that's where we come in. Most people think about us as like a filter or a filtration, a passive technology, which, by the way, we highly recommend. We work with and partner with a lot of companies that have filters, but ours is very unique. It's a passive, small device that can help the entire home. We take care of any particulate matters. We remove any smells, good or bad. We jokingly say our goal is just to make it as fresh as after a thunderstorm outside, where you just have good, high-quality air. And the other thing that is very unique to our products is how we help reduce or deactivate viruses, bacteria, germs, anything that we've learned so much about, unfortunately, since the pandemic. But it's not my claim or my company's claim. We've got all these amazing peer-reviewed studies, scientific studies. You can find that on our websites or various links. If you happen to be local in the Tri-Cities area, I love my company. I love helping people there, but my real passion is just taking people out for coffee, going out and meeting people over lunch, especially if they're in the business world. I just want to connect others, because I remember when I started my business when I was 22, how hard it was just to connect, to meet people, to try to tell people about my company. And so I just really love paying it forward. If you see this through the Bertolino's site, through their gumballs, they have that same passion. That's how we got connected. That's why I love them so much. So hopefully if I meet you either online, but even better, I'd love to meet you in the future in person. The first round of coffee or the lunch will be my treat.